Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board, chapter 3, exercise 3.12. Music is being played in two opposite galleries. Have you seen the galleries anywhere? You think of the Rocky Theatre, two galleries are there. Okay, the same way you have to think that galleries with certain group of people sitting in the gallery. In the first gallery, a group of 4 singers are singing. See here, 4 singers were singing. In the first group of gallery, in the first group gallery, in the first gallery, 4 singers were singing. In the second gallery, 9 singers were singing. The two galleries are separated by the distance. The two galleries were separated by the distance 70 meter. Where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of singer's voice? Suppose the gallery was full. A person wants to listen the music. Where that person wants to stand for hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice. See here, I have drawn a diagram. This is one gallery and this is second gallery. This is first gallery and this is second gallery. You can think of this is gallery 1. This is gallery 2. See, 4 singers were singing here. Here 9 singers were singing. Here a person was standing here. Okay. See the distance between two galleries. That is, this is G1. This is gallery G2. The distance between the two gallery is, what is that? 70 meter. Suppose a person P, you can standing here, see this is D and this is 70 minus D, that is D and that is 70 minus D. You can write that the position of the person. Let the position of the person in between two galleries. Let the position of the person in between two galleries. In between the two galleries. In between the two galleries be P. In between the two galleries, you can take it as P. See here the distance. The distance as gallery 1 you can take it as D. Total distance of G1, G2 is 70 meter. G1P you can take it as a D meter and G2P you can take it as a 70 because the total is 70. Okay, what is the second one? 70 minus D meter. See, the ratio is the hint is given. The ratio of the two singers is equal to the square of the distance of the ratio. See, that is the ratio of the first gallery by second gallery. The number of singers, that is singers were singing in the first gallery by singers were singing in the second gallery is equal to the square of the distance. First gallery distance is D square. Second gallery distance is 70 minus D the whole square. Cross multiplication. See the cross multiplication. 4 into 70 minus D the whole square equal to 9D square. See, 4 into A minus B the whole square formula. What is the formula for that? A square minus 2AB plus B square. So, 4900 minus 140D plus D square. A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to 9D square. Now you multiply 4 inside. What is the answer you will be getting? 4 into 4900. What is the answer? 19600. 49 4s are 19600 minus 140 into 4 is nothing but what? 560D plus 4D square equal to 9D square. You bring everything to the one side. What is the value we are getting? See here, 109600 minus 560D plus 4D square plus 4d square minus 9d square equal to 0. So what is the answer? Minus 5d square minus 560d plus 19,600 equal to 0. See, in front of the d square minus sign is there. So throughout you divide by minus 5. Divided by minus 5, what is the answer you will be getting? See, d square plus 5 ones are 5, 112d plus 112d minus 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15, balance 4, 9 fives are 45, to 3920 equal to 0. If you want, you can do it in a factorization method or you can do it in a formula method. It is your choice. See here, I will choose a formula method. What is the formula? What is the value of A? A equal to 1, B equal to 112 and C equal to minus 3920. What is the formula we can apply here? Minus B plus or minus D equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. See, D equal to minus B minus 112 plus or minus root of B square 112 the whole square minus 4AC. 4 into 1 into minus 3920 by 2A. 2A is nothing but what? 2 into 1, 2A. It gives minus 112 plus or minus root of 112 the whole square. 112 the whole square, you can do it in your F4 column and check the answer. 12,544 plus minus into minus plus 3920 into 4, 15,680. For all the answer you should check in the F4 column. Is it clear? By 2. Okay. It gives minus 112 plus or minus root of, you can add both the values. What is the value you are getting? 4, 8 plus 4, 1560, 12. You can do it in your F4 column. 12544 15680 See, 4, 8 plus 4, 112, balance 1, 2, 6 plus 6, 2, 5, 7, 8, 2. So, 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 2, 4 by 2. Now, you should find out the square root of this value. How you will find out? I told you before itself how you will find out. See here, by 2, 8, 2, 2, 4. You can split up into 2 terms from the last. 2, 1 ones are 1 because 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. You bring it 2 terms down. 182. 1 plus 1, 2. You multiply any number. The same number you can multiply here. I will multiply 6. 6 6 are 36. Balance 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 what? 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 what? 15. If you want to multiply 7 also, see here. 27 into 7. 7 7s are 49. Balance 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4. 189, but the number is 182. So, you will write 6 here and you will write 6. The answer is 156. Subtract. See, 6, 7 minus 5 you give 26. You bring 24 down. 6 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Balance 1. 32. You multiply any number here and the same number you should multiply, because I choose 8 because 8 8s are 64, last number is 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 8 8s are 64 means 2 2s are 4 also. You can choose 2 2s are 4, 2 2 and or 8 8 you can choose. You can see the last number and choose the number here. So 8 8s are 64, balance 6, 8 2s are 16 plus 6, 22, balance 2, 8 3s are 24, 26. So you will write 8, 8, 2 6, 2 4, the remainder is 0. So the square root of 28,224 is 168. So you will write minus 112 plus or minus 168 by 2. 168 by 2. See, minus 112 plus 168 by 2, comma minus 112 minus 168 by 2. So the answer is, see, 168 minus 112, what is the answer? 56. 56 by 2, comma, see here, minus 112 minus 8 2s are 10, 8, minus 280 by 2. You cancel, what is the answer for this? D equal to 28. You get the answer for this negative, it is not possible. D equal to minus 140, not possible because the distance should not be negative. The distance should not be negative. So you can choose the value D equal to 28. Therefore, 70 minus D equal to 70 minus 28. 70 minus 28 equal to 42 meter. D equal to 28 meter. So the person should stand 28 meter from gallery 1. 28 meter from gallery 1. A person should stand 28 meter from gallery 1 and 42 meter from gallery 2. 42 meter from gallery 2. 42 meter from gallery 2 to hear the same intensity of singer's voice. To hear the same intensity of singer's voice. See, eighth sum, there is a square field whose side is 10 meter. There is a square field whose side is 10 meter. Whose side is 10 meter. A square flower bed is prepared in its center, leaving the gravel path. A square flower bed is prepared, leaving the gravel path. This place you can mention as a width. You can leave the gravel path. This side you can mention as x meter. This is a gravel path. Okay. This is a square field. A flower bed is preparing at the center. They leaving the path at the border of the square field. See, the total cost of the laying the flower bed and graving the path at rupees 3 meter and 4 per square meter. For square field, laying the path is flower bed cost is 3 meter, rupees 3, and graveling cost is 4 per square meter. The total rupees charged is rupees 364. Find the width of the gravel path. Find the width of the gravel path. So side of the square they have given us what? Side of the square. Side of the square equal to 10 meter. Area of the square. Area of the square field. Area of the square field. What is the formula? Area of the square field, side into side. So it gives as area of the square field is gives as 10 into 10. It is nothing but what? 100. 10 into 10 it gives 100. 100 meter square. 10 into 10 it gives 100 meter square. See, side of the flower bed is x meter. Area of the flower bed is equal to x square meter square. Now you move on to check the area of the travel bed. Travel path, area of the travel path is total 100 square meter, total 100 minus flower bed area is x square. Total square is 100, flower bed area is x square. So you can subtract these two values, you get the area of the travel path in between. Area, this is a square and this is a flower bed and this is a outer square. This area you should find out, means you can subtract total area minus flower bed area, you get the value of this. So 100 minus x square meter square. 100 minus x square meter square. See, cost of laying the flower bed. Cost of laying the flower bed. Flower bed equal to rupees 3 per meter square. Rupees 3 per meter square. The same thing, cost of laying the gravel path. Cost of laying the gravel path. Cost of laying the gravel path equal to rupees 4 per meter square. So according to the sum, according to the problem, we can frame the equation now. See, 3x square. X square is nothing but area of the flower bed plus 4 into 100 minus x square, area of the travel path. Okay, area of the travel path, the total amount they have given us what? 364. The total amount is given as 364. 3x square plus 400, you can multiply inside. 400 minus 4x square equal to 364 minus x square. 3x square minus 4x square is nothing but what? Minus x square equal to 364 minus 400 minus x square equal to minus 36. Minus get cancelled. X equal to plus or minus 6, but the a side should not be in negative, it should be in positive. So x equal to 6 meter. X equal to 6 meter. Now you move on to find out the value of the width of the gravel path. The width you should find out. See, you should find out the width of the gravel path. So see here, if it is like this, x, this is w and this is also w, this is w and this is also w. So x plus 2w, x plus 2w equal to the side is what? 2w, x plus x, this is x, this is w plus w. Is it clear for you? This is x, x is x, this length is x, this length is w and this length is w. The total length they are given as what? 10 meter. See here, if it is flower bed, this is a square, this is a gravel path, this is w and this is w. This length is 10 meter. This length I can mention as x meter. So x plus w it gives what? 10 meter. So x plus 2w equal to 10 meter. 6 plus 2w equal to 10. 2w equal to 10 minus 6. 2w equal to 10 minus 6. 2w equal to 4. W equal to 4 by 2. It gives the value 2. Therefore, width of the gravel path. Width of the gravel path equal to width of the gravel path equal to 2 meter. Width of the gravel path equal to 2 meter. See, the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 25. It is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is 25 meter. You can take it as this is A centimeter and this is B centimeter, and its perimeter. Perimeter is 56 centimeter. What is the triangle of perimeter of the triangle? A plus B plus, that C side is what? 25. 25 is equal to 56 centimeter. That is perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle equal to A plus B plus C side is given as what? 25 centimeter equal to 56 centimeter. So A plus B equal to 56 minus 25. A plus B equal to 31 centimeter. A plus B equal to 31 centimeter. B equal to 31 minus A. B equal to 31 minus A. It is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, we can apply for the Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem? A square plus B square equal to sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to the sum of the squares of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is nothing but what? 25 square. Apply Pythagoras theorem. A square plus B square equal to 25 square because it is a right angle triangle. A square plus 31 minus A the whole square. 31 minus A the whole square equal to 25 square. That is A minus B the whole square formula. A square plus 31 square is nothing but what? 961. 961, you do it in your F4 column and check the answer, plus A square minus 2AB minus 62A equal to 25 square is 625. 25 square is 625. Now you see here A square plus A square equal to 2A square. A square plus A square equal to 2A square minus 62A minus 62A plus 961 minus 625 equal to 0. See, divided by 2, what is the answer? A square minus 31A plus 168 equal to 0. So what is the sum here? Sum equal to minus 31, product equal to 168. If you want, you can do it in a formula method also. See, 168, 24 sevens are, because 24 plus 7 you get the answer 31. 24 sevens are, 7 fours are 28, balance 2, 7 twos are 14 plus 2, 16, 168. You check it. Okay, minus 24 minus 27, the answer is minus 31. Minus 24 into minus 7 is 168. So see here, A minus 24, A minus 7 equal to 0. A equal to 24, A equal to 7, because A minus 24 equal to 0, A equal to 24, A minus 7 equal to 0, A equal to 7, but they are asking about the smallest side of the triangle. The hypotenuse value is 25 centimeter. They are asking about the smallest side. So you can choose this value. Therefore, the length of the smallest side, the length of the smallest side of the triangle, smallest side of the A right angle triangle. Smallest side of the triangle is this. Therefore, the length of the smallest side of the triangle is 7 centimeter.